Hello everyone, my name is Edward. I'm a pre-sales specialist at SpinetiX. We are here at InfoComm, and today I'm going to talk to you about our new Elementi Q-SYS plugin. Thanks to our last Elementi release, we leverage the Intel chipset inside our player, so we can manage perfect synchronization between our players. So here, let me show you, we have a touch panel. We have default content running on the screens, and if I push the rave button, we trigger some content instantly. Also, it's possible to write a name for a personalized experience. If I write Jessica and press the button, then you can say, "Welcome, Jessica." Thank you very much. Please, if you want to see us, come join us at our booth 2015 or visit our website, SpinetiX.com. Thank you very much.